was at one point it
Phantom,
was 80K.
why you doing that to me,
It was
Phantom? Why you doing
80K
that to
from
me?
number three. Now it's 67K away from number three.
Girl,
Yo, that's amazing. Everything counts chip by chip,
I
relic
need
by
to go
relic,
cook. All my
love bomb
groceries
by
up on the
love
floor.
bomb.
My order
You
my
never
meat and the
know.
meat no come.
Someone may come in and give us a helping hand.
So
Somebody go. I know
that's what I'm a
somebody.
push. I'm a push today because I would love to even end in the top 10. The Phantoms, okay. So pretty much if you're level 20 and above, you could just go to the ELP
Thank you,
and
Madam
change yourself
President.
to a Phantom.
Madam
If
President,
nobody
easy
know
well,
who you are, that's
never
all it is.
settle.
It's a
At
disguise, so
Oku,
we won't
teacher
know who the
Samuel,
person is. So a lot of
overcoming.
them, they just use that to
Very
come
good
and
D,
watch
Jamaican
people,
journalist, teacher
see who's
Samuel,
gifting
my
you.
brown
They're not
legacy.
really here to
It
support
would
you. They're
be
just here
so
to
great to
watch.
see you for
You
the
have some
music.
good ones that will come and tap your screen
I
and
hope your
support
destiny
you,
helper come in. That's the thing. I don't know who's my
but you have
destiny helper,
some
never Peter.
that
You're my
just
destiny
here to
helper.
pass.
Either way, overcoming. At
But
Coco is
anybody
my
can
destiny
be a
helper too.
Phantom. It's just going into ghost mode.
Let's go. Let's go. Even if, I want to screenshot it like
Oh.
Lasana. Lasana. I want to
Hmm?
screenshot myself on the podium. I could brag.
But you see, at least you'd have a decent score up there. My
I don't want
score.
to score. I will edit the score. I can edit this. I just want to
But
show
you
that.
know what
Listen,
I'm gonna post it? You know what I'm gonna do with my screenshot that you took last night? The day I hit number one before Chuck D. Yup. That's what I'm gonna post.
I'm putting. I'm gonna put like what if epic spot to make it, but a lot of people see it.
Yup.
Yeah,
Welcome
but
back,
never
Icon.
settle.
Because you know
Wow,
what? She said she have to be the first one up there every night. But I hit it before her last night. I don't care. It was only 11K, but I hit that before her.
wow. I believe Destiny Helper. They're gonna find us. Maybe some. You never know. Somebody's watching and they'll be like, "Wow, that
Somebody
is
will.
so close.
Somebody's going to come
He's
in
getting
and,
some
and,
love." You
and,
know
and
what?
push us some more. This has been an
Somebody gonna
amazing
come.
morning. Icon, welcome back. Welcome back. Thank you for being a part of this push today. Yeah. I'm so close yet so far. I
Wow,
could
thank you.
taste it,
Never
but I'm
settle.
gonna get that pro this month. I cannot not get it this month because then I have to start all over next month.
I'm 6K away,
So
6K away from 200K, guys. 6K away from 200K. Let's work on that, guys. 6K away from 200K.
yeah.
That is the target. Thank you, Teacher Slim Elpinol. Thank you.
Let me tell you, Mish came in here this
Hot
morning and
Cocoa.
scattered this classroom. She gave me a big push
Oh,
this
Teacher
morning.
Samuel. Why am I saying it?
You know, I have a chicken. I could go
You
heat up
just
my chicken. At least heat up my chicken and eat that. Yeah. Push in today, guys. Push in today. All right. They don't knock me down. I'm back at 11. I'm back at 11. Ooh, Dash, you almost at 200K.
Yeah,
Wow.
I'm pushing, guys. We're working on the
I'm trying to
6K.
get to 150. I'm trying to get to 150 and then move further. I need one person to come and invest in a music planet or epic battle. Dash, you seen the epic battles? That gift, the
Yeah,
epic battle?
yeah, I sent all of the big gifts,
Oh, oh.
I joke. I'm just kidding. I just kidding. I sent that one though. It's on my page too.
Well, I
But tell you what I
saw.
never see. The do
I know
oh
you.
yeah. Hmm?
I know you send the music planet because I seen it on your page.
I sent the music on it. Where get it up to?
You asking me who you give it to? And I
Yeah.
you send it. And you
Remember,
send it. The one and only Abby Trini. I don't know who else you send it to,
oh,
but I
Abby
saw
Chilling.
that
I never
one.
no, I forget that gift. I was like, I got so much video on my page tonight that I don't even pause. But I don't remember like some of I don't remember. Because I was I don't even remember. Like,
Nobody know where if it tap my baby.
oh my god.
Out of the
Madam
ELP them
President,
there
thank you.
fast.
Easy
A
well. Teacher
phantom
Samuel,
just a look
thank
for
you.
me and me I look for a phantom.
My people are here, but they're busy in the chat. They just work in the chat.
Yeah.
I can't charge. Nobody can recharge now. The app broke everybody. I'm ready.
Who can charge? If it's you gotta log out and log back in.
I'm really.
Like completely log out and put back your email and password. Yeah.
60. I'm ready. You ready? I ready. Ready. Oh, Jamaica Jolie said she's gonna bomb this place down. Shh.
Oh, let me sit up for this one.
I'm just saying she never said that. She never said
I'm ready to see. Let's go, Jamaican journalists. Let's go. Let's put it down. Put it down. Guys, I need to get back to number 10. I need 50 more K. Let's go.
Let's not chat too much.
One doomsday.
Oh my
Listen,
god. Mm.
nothing
I
that
love my
drops over
chat.
there is gonna surprise me,
I love
guys.
my chat.
Listen.
My chat is
We're
funny.
pushing
I love
together,
my
guys.
chat.
We're pushing.
Uh, I love my chat. Oh my god. One of a kind is here. One of
Me?
a kind is here. Oh my freaking god.
Yes, me take enough beating already this morning, so it don't really
The
matter.
legendary one of a kind is here. Oh my god. I'm so honored that you're here. I heard so much about you.
You
Thank you
still my
for
kind
visiting my
gone down
life.
to my tank?
Thank you
Yeah.
for the love. I
That's
appreciate one
because
of
the
a
tank ain't
kind.
even full.
Thank you so much. I give you a follow, one of a kind. No, I don't follow you yet. I'm lying. No, I follow you now. I
Luke,
follow you.
welcome in. I see you.
Teacher Samuel.
Welcome in, guys.
Whoa,
Oh,
dude,
let's
that was totally
go.
epic.
Take me to the ocean. Let's go.
Whoa, dude, that
That's
was
epic.
totally epic.
63 away from number
You
4.
don't
Let's
see it right
go.
there? That thing that needs 65
Let's
coins.
go.
That's the tank.
Oh my god.
Whoa, dude,
If that
that
tank
was
is not
totally
filled, then I
epic.
won't get
Oh my
the
god.
multipliers.
Let's
No, but do
go.
you see the
Thank you
thing
so
right
much,
there?
Jamaican journalist.
It says 65 coins. Yeah, that's the tank. So if I don't fill that, then I
Let's
won't get a times
go.
two, three, four, or five.
62 away.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You guys are doing a
62K
great
away.
job over there. That you're
Let's
doing
go.
well. You're doing well. Everybody's working together as a pushing. You're at 200. Wow. Awesome. Awesome. You're two away from
Yummy!
number three.
Oh my god.
If comment that wouldn't mean that I end up at the bottom of the ELP, I would have come and do my push now. But I'll see you later on. I want to come down now and come back up. It's gonna drop me to the bottom. Yeah. So you see how it wasn't filled? So that's why we don't see any cards across the screen. So some people might call it a jetpack, and other people call it a tank.
Oh my god. Thank you, Jamaican journalist. Easy way well. Thank you. Guy,
8K
we
to
have 8
top 10.
amazing people
8K to top 10.
overcoming.
8K to top 10. Let's
Easy way
go.
well. Jamaican journalist. Very good D. Teacher Samuel. My brown legacy. Just me. Guys, show yourself, guys. Don't be shy. Let's go with the tiptoe. Tiptoe. Jamaican journalist say tiptoe in a way. Let's go with the sneaky bounce. 61K away. That's just one doomsday away. One doomsday away. Bam. You never know. Chip by chip.
You never know.
Relic
Okay,
by
my
relic.
baby.
Epic.
Thank you for
Thank you
tapping.
so much. Jamaica. Jamaica. Boom. Jamaica. Boom. Jamaica land we love. Hey, I used to get some
And
lick
she
for say that
bummed out
boom.
the place over
I used
there.
to get some lick for get that boom. Say that boom there. We get some beat, you see.
Oh gosh, I need one more person to come push me big so that people can
Yeah,
start fly
yep.
back over here.
Man, used to get some
Life
lick for
dry
say
up
boom.
here.
The boom they night.
Oh my guys, let's see how much time Dash murder me.
Oh, I passed you. Wow. I passed you. Wow.
He
Wow.
passed me here, so and upon the ELP, and upon the daily ranking, and towards the pro.
I'm
Go Dash, go. Go Dash, go.
A big breeze, man. Big breeze, I blow.
Big breeze. That's what I'm talking about. Big
Every time
breeze.
say, hey, big breeze used to blow in here. They used to, hey, big breeze used to
Yo.
blow.
Why that? I don't know. I'm glad we connect back on some
Uh,
platform right now. Honestly, because I'm going on with myself. Big breeze. Big
last time I used to
breeze,
be my,
man.
my partner, teammate partner, that we used to battle partner.
Oh my God.
Mm.
One big breeze. Let's go,
But
guys. Let's go. 8.6K to get to. No, oh God. Oh, okay. I'm now number 20. This don't look good. Guys, I'm
let's
scrolling.
guys, let's go match for match. Let's go. Kiki, Kiki, Kiki,
I want to
Kiki.
get up.
Do
Who is
you
sneaking
love me?
away over
I
there?
am at it. Mm-mm. Na, na,
Dash,
na, na.
that was a great teamwork you had this morning. That was amazing.
Thank you, Kiki. That is amazing. I'm telling you.
Mister, we still in
Like,
a chat about you. Mister, alright, Dash me a come live. Make we just watch Doomsday over my
wow,
head.
the goat sent doomsday to Mama. Let's
Mac.
go. Never set this. Let's go. Oh my God, we're close. We're close. You know, it's not far away. Look, it was 80K. I know it's 61K. Chip by chip, Glock by Glock. Everything counts. Even if it's a relic, it counts. Everything counts. So thank you for being a part of greatness.
And
We
see,
need all the
everybody
help.
a
Let's
push.
go. Thank you, my moderator. Thank you
Because
for the
we are dropping on
motivation.
the ELP. Everybody pushing. We need a chat to be going. We need something. Something to bring up back the live.
Let's go. 60K. 60.8K. Oh, times four, guys. Let's go match for match.
13.
We got a
Let's
times four,
see.
guys. Do what you can. Let's shape down this 60K. Let's work together, guys. We'll just work together.